Hey everybody, Jason Ricci here. We got a little bit of kind of like an unboxing product review. So it's not really an unboxing because I don't have a box. Plus I think it's kind of silly to open boxes on the internet. But look, here's a new product that comes from Dennis Gruenling. So, you know, and his company, Badass Harmonica, right? So what this is, I got a couple of these here. And I'm going to tell you what they are. They looks like a Crown Royal bag, except with a badass donkey on there. A badass, right? So these are pretty cool. You know, I didn't know what they were when I first opened them. But what they are ways to protect your bullet microphone. So if you have a bullet microphone, you probably know already that they can be pretty fragile. Like RJ Michaud already beat me to it, but this bullet mic is broken, and it probably wouldn't be broken, right, if I had one of these things. And that's the truth, RJ. I'm not stealing your concept. So, but what you do is you need a snug fit to keep your stuff so it doesn't get banged around. So you just cram these suckers in. You gotta like, they fit really snug, so you gotta kind of like mess with it a little bit. They come out a little easier. You get them in there and then you seal them up with this thing like that. All right, so there you go. So that's pretty cool, right? So there you keep your stuff nice and safe. They come in different colors. Here's a black one. Oh, this one, Dennis, what I'm doing with this one here, I keep tubes in the back of my amp, and I have no idea how to keep them like safe in there, but I want them easily accessible, and the boxes aren't really a good enough protection. I've been wrapping them with like headbands and stuff. Now I keep them in my little badass harmonica thing and seal it up nice and tight. So anyway, you can actually kind of get my mic, the Jason Ricci signature mic, you can kind of get it in there actually pretty good, and then you just pull the little drawstring, and it's mostly actually, wait, it's like almost all covered, right? So there you go. So you can put that one in there too. Like, look, here's a little Honer mic right there. You can get unboxing. There we go. This one goes in too easy. That's easy, right? That's too easy. So anyway, Dennis Gruenling's, I don't know the exact name of these, the Badass Harmonica microphone cozies, right? I don't know what they are, but they rock. They rock, and they're safe, and you can keep tubes and all kinds of important stuff safe, and you're supporting one of the best harmonica players on the planet and a super good guy. Thanks, guys.